Hey traders, Brian here with another video tonight. It seems like I'm in a very creative mode right now, so I had to get this out because this is something I started looking at last week by mistake, and the more I looked at it, the more of an edge I could see in this chart when I combined it with my 36.6 Ninja. So what I'm talking about is over here on the right hand side, this is a 60 tick range chart, and then over here on the left, I have my higher time frame, 36.6 chart. So what I want to show you here is these arrows. I have this programmed in markers. So this is the filter that I built for you in one of the other videos, the single line. So you didn't have to plot. So you don't have to plot the entire BLT trigger line. This is the long, the slow average right here. So this is just the derivative of an EMA. It's all it is. So when it's red, you're only looking for short trades, and when it's blue, you're only looking for long trades. But when I rolled to this 60 tick chart, I started looking and I said, there's something about a minimum of 120 ticks pullback in a trend before it resumes. So what I'm saying is let's start from here and we'll move. Well, we'll do both sides, left and right. But look at this bull move. So what minimum criteria is in a bullish market when this is blue, which simply means the current bar, the current value is higher than the value one bar ago. That's all this. When it stays blue, that's all that means. So what I'm looking for is a minimum of 2 down closes on the 60 tick bar, and this to be blue, and then an up close to resume the trend. So that's where the arrow prints. Now I'm going to show you the edge in a minute. I just want you to understand the logic. We get 3 down closes, so we meet the criteria, up close, and we go. There's another 3 down closes, up bar, and we go. Here's 3 down closes, up bar, and we go. 2 down closes, up bar, and we go. Same thing. This one wouldn't have worked, but I mean, you're not taking all 6 of those trades right there. You're stupid if you are. I'll just go ahead and say that. You've got more problems that you need to deal with. All right, so that's that. Now let's look at some short trades. This one actually met the criteria, but yeah, I wouldn't have traded that. This is 3 up closes and you get the down close. 3 and you get the down close. That would have been a loser. Yeah, that's not a good trade. I mean, we filter that out with other stuff. So, but here we get into a clear move down, 2 bars up, down close when we go. 2 up closes, down close, and wiggles around, but it goes. Okay, so I think you kind of see the logic. It's pretty good. Just as simple, just a very simple approach right here. So there's something about this, a minimum of 260, I'll just call it 120 ticks, is what we're looking for as a reaction before the NASDAQ exhausts and resumes the trend again. So that's kind of the theory. Now what I want you to see, the edge I'm talking to, is on the higher time frame chart. When you're trying to take the best trade setups, I've always, when I was building my setups over here, I always struggled with how far of a pullback, should I look for? And that's what caused me to categorize the John Wicks, the B4 jiggles, and the BLT trigger line trades. But I want you to look at this. This is kind of game changer type stuff here. Let's look at this one right here. We're in a definite downtrend. It stays red. Even through this huge pullback, we get 1, 2, 3, 4 up closes, a down close. But what I want you to see is this down close here happens, and we get the arrow. It occurs before oh my gosh, sorry about that. Okay, there's the down close. it actually occurs before the Ninza bar closes. So you know in advance when the move has likely run its course, and you have more confidence in taking this trade right here. Even though this is a huge pullback, it still meets the criteria over here. And of course you get a couple of John Wicks that cause you to sweat, but then you get just a really nice down move right there. Here we go again. We get the pullback, you get the down close. Down close happens right here on the first Ninja bar that sets. So you know right there that this thing is probably going to close down. So you have confidence to put your sell stop right there at the close or one tick below it, and then take that move down. Okay, that's pretty awesome, I think. And you're not taking all of these trades down. Again, we'll tell you, if you are, you got more problems to deal with than trying to find good trade setups. Okay, so that's what, look at all these trades, 2 and a down. And you know right there that it's going to close, that this is already closed down, so this is likely going to go in that direction. I haven't found anything yet that gives me early warning that this is likely to close. Most times I just put my sell stop in there thinking that it's going to close down when I get one of my, potentially get one of my setups. But this right here, I can't even express how really good that is right there. So, we get this move here, and you might be saying, well, why don't we just enter on the 60 tick chart? Well, we could. Maybe that's what I migrate to later on. Could be, but for right now, I'm going to start trading this, try to gather some data on it, see how well I do in conjunction with my levels, and we'll go from there. But anyway, I'll download this template for all you markers users. For everybody else that doesn't have markers, you just have to have a 60 tick range chart. If you're trading my templates on the higher time frame 36.6, and just look for that 2-bar pullback, and then get set and wait for the reversal to close down, and then you can put your sell stop, your buy stop in there with confidence that, yeah, good chance it's going to work for you. So, okay, I just wanted to put that out there so you can start using that, kicking the tires. We'll exchange notes as we move forward. Hey, good luck in your trading. We'll chat later.